Good morning everyone. My name is Zaman and I am the student of BCA Batch 1 second semester. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Pankaj sir for giving me the opportunity to stand here and discuss on the topic elements of system. So, before starting the elements of system, let's understand what the system is. The system is the group of elements and components that works together to accomplish a given task or a common task. Now coming to the elements of system, these are the elements of the system. The first one is input, processor, output, control, feedback, boundaries and interface, and environment. Now let's understand these all components of system one by one. The first, let's start with the input. Input means giving or feeding data into the computer system by using input devices. By this picture you can easily understand that the man is inputting data by the help of this S Pen. Now output. Output means after processing the input, the outcome or the results. By the definition you can easily understand that output means getting output of the given data after processing as per the given instructions which is useful for the user. Now coming to the processor. Processor is the operational element of the element of system. It transforms the input into the output, useful output. Now we have control. Control elements guide the system and it takes the decision and controls the pattern of activities governing input, output and processing. Now we have feedback. After getting the output, we compare the output with the desired output, and if the desired output is not as per the standard, then the necessary steps are taken to achieve that standard. And one more thing, that the positive feedback also encourages the performance of the system. Now the next element is boundaries and interface. It means that every system works under some limitations and boundaries, and the components of the system that we have discussed, the input, output and processing and all other components, that works under some limitations. This is known as boundaries. The last one is environment. The things that is outside the boundaries of the system are known as environment. So this is all about from my side. I hope you all understand the elements of system. Thank you.